Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Music Therapy Laz here on a freaking Frankenstrat Friday. That's what I'm calling it. VEDA. VEDA Friday. First VEDA of 2021. The better year than 2020, hopefully. Never know. Things could happen. But VEDA Day 2, I miss doing VEDA Day 1. So VEDA is vlog every day in April or August, and we're here in April. That's right. I completely forgot yesterday was April. April Fool's Day, April 1st. Those who are waiting for that glary guitar delivery, I did not win the lotto. That was a joke. Maybe next year. April 1st. Delivery expected. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys a couple things here on my VEDA, my vlog. And one thing I want to say is last night, thank you Johnny Beane and Kurt 5150 for joining me. I think Kurt Stewart, that's his last name. He lives up in Washington State, and Johnny Beane lives right nearby here in Santa Cruz, California. I live in another wonderful little town here in Livermore, California, home of the Giant Hadron Collider, if you like smashing atoms and stuff like that. We've got Roxy still sleeping here, so I'm going to show you guys. Roxy, waking Roxy up, and then we're going to do an unboxing, or really it's an unboxing. It's a box. It's an unpackaging, but it's an unboxing. Let me show you what it's done in the kitchen here. Yeah, it's kind of a skinny box. What could be in that kind of a skinny box? I don't know. But anyway, I'll show you guys what that is. And yeah, thank you, Kurt and Johnny Beane, for being on my pilot show of Gear Mods Squad. I don't know why I put the S on the end of mod. So Mod Squad, but I just had to do it Mods Squad. But it kind of works, right? Gear Mod Squad, kind of together, the S thing. So Friday, it's early. I'm wearing sunglasses inside the house because my eyes look old and tired. And I don't know. The first video I was shooting, I'm like, dude, you look so old and tired and scruffy and everything. You need to take a shower, you know. So here we are, Friday morning, freaking Frankenstrat Friday, and it's April, it's vlog day, and we're gonna wake Roxy up. That's always fun, and then we're gonna unpackage this package here in the kitchen. All right, so let's do it. Roxy, wakey, wakey. Look at, she's still sleeping. That's how she sleeps. Look, oh, there you are. Good morning, my little love. Good morning, my little Roxy love. Everybody wants to say hi to you. Good morning. Good morning. You want to come out? Oh, you're very grumpy in the morning. Ouch. Do you want to help Daddy with an unboxing? Yes? Okay. And another thing I was chatting with Johnny Beane about is, you know, how do you grow your channel? How do you grow your subscribers and all that? I mean, the guy's been doing this for so long. He's trying to break into 8,000 subscribers, and he's got a multitude of shows, and you know, he's on several different platforms, from Instagram to Snapchat to Twitch. I don't think he's doing TikTok yet, but he should do some TikTok videos. But yeah, he's been trying to grow his channel, but he's like the godfather. Yes, Roxy, the godfather. Johnny Beane, the godfather of YouTube. So help grow his channel and Kurt's channel too. And then we've got Fender Guru and those guys from New Zealand that Kurt's on, the 5150 show. We did discuss some of Eddie Van Halen's influence, obviously. Huge influence on not just the music industry and guitar, but modding guitars, which is what the show's about. It's about regular Joe Schmo dudes like me. Joe is my middle name, by the way, so Joe does fit. Regular Joe Schmo dudes like me do indeed like to mess around with guitars. I've always been kind of handy and like to dig into and get into things. Roxy doesn't like it when I don't give her attention. She's snipping at me. Oh, I know, Roxy. I'll give you attention after the video. You can help me unbox, okay? But yeah, you know, us Joe Schmo guitar players / keyboardists and other kind of gear fanatics that I am, we like to fiddle with stuff, you know, and that's what Eddie Van Halen did. Edward Van Halen did. And he fiddled with things so that he can get his instrument, his guitar, which was his tool of trade, to do what he heard in his head or what he can imagine trying to do with a guitar. And that guy did some amazing things with the guitar, right? And then effects, and then the amplifiers too, doing weird modifications like using a variac and stuff like that to voltage regulate, or at least, you know, control the voltage to get a certain sound. And some of the things I learned about him was that he actually, there's a lot of things I learned the last couple of years. He actually used different voltages based on where he was playing, because to get that right sweet sound, depending on, you know, the power that he was getting in a venue. Every venue has a different kind of quality of power, or, you know, level of voltage or whatever. Sometimes it's good or bad, as they would say, but you can variate the voltage to bring it to the right voltage from the wall or from, you know, their circuit into your amp, so you got your amp sounding right? So anyway, so let's get on to the unpackaging. I'm gonna have to, you know what, I should have gotten a stand to do this. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go get a stand. Should have gotten a stand. Put the stand over here. Where is it? I know it's there somewhere. There it is. Oh, there's my messy closet. It's not that bad. Oh, I gotta reach over. Oh, over the table here. Oh, this is life at the Laz house here. It's Friday. I'm almost falling over. Almost tripped over my drum throne. Oh, too close up. That's way too close up on Laz. No good, Laz. Because I'm going to need two hands. I got this handy little, it's just a mic tripod, and then I just have this cool little folder I got for 10 bucks or whatever online when they were blowing them out one day. Slide that right in there like that. There we go. Perfect. See there? Right there. Okay, there we go. So, I know, everything's last minute around here. So, we got this nice little package from, and I already scratched out my name, so, ow, stop biting me, Roxy. Stop. Can you read that? It says, Wild Justice Music. Southfield, Minnesota. Am I? Missouri? Missouri, probably. Wild Justice. Wild Justice. Who is Wild Justice Music? Let's see. They tell you never cut toward yourself, because you might go, ah. At least that's what they taught me in the Boy Scouts. Yes, Roxy, help Daddy unpackage. There you go. Come on. Chew it. Chew it. Come on, chew it. There you go, girl. That's right. Unpackage that box. That's right. Get in there. Get in there and unpackage that baby. Oh, so cool. Oh, so cool. Check it out. That's right. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. You guys know who that is? It's one of my favorite new guitarists out on the scene as the last several years. Good friend of the awesome amp builder, Dave Friedman. And that is indeed Sammy Boller. His vinyl. I was waiting for the vinyl, man. Yeah, Kingdom of the Sun, right? Isn't it? Yeah, the Valley of the Sun, Kingdom of the Sun album. And I just saw last night, I think it was, or was it this morning, a new thing came out. So a new whatever you call it. It's not an EP or whatever. It's just a new single, I guess. So you got some pics. That's sweet, man. Check out these Sammy Boller pics right on. Wonder if these are his actual. Roxy, are you eating my? Are you chewing on my? No, don't chew on my cable. Oh, you little devil. No. No cable chewing. No. Come here. She's the worst with cables. Oh, these are cool, man. Look at that. Oops. Oh, yeah. Here's the camera. Okay. Focus. I'm trying to get it to just look at this. It's hard to. Oh, it's not doing it. Ah. Let's see. That works, right? I learned all these tricks from Johnny Beane. It's not working. My tricks are not working. Well, anyway, I think you guys can see it, right? And then on this side, it has a signature in red. Not like that Nike shoe that's being recalled that has blood in it. It's not written in blood. I don't know if you guys caught that news. So, of course, I got some awesome stickers. Oh, and this is the new one that I think came out. Yeah, cool, right? I like the artwork, too. It reminds me of... Oh, we got a phone call. Wireless caller calling in the office. Anyway, Very cool, right? Should I pull it out? Should I pull the vinyl out? I should pull the vinyl out, right? So we got some picks from Sammy. We got the CD, of course. We got the bundle. And then we've got the LP. Let's see what it looks like. Very carefully. At the corner here. Cut into this. There we go. Probably shouldn't take the plastic off, right? I'm going to keep the plastic on there. Yeah, that's what I recall. So check that out. Is that cool or what? High quality, very thick plastic vinyl record. That is cool. So I'm going to be slapping this onto my record player later today, perhaps, when I'm done with work. But for now, we've got the Sammy Boller new album, as of last year anyways. Well, I think it was a year ago at least. I think it came out, yeah, I think it came out right before the pandemic hit. Anyway, so that's how it came. Got a bunch of cool stuff. And that's my VEDA for today. So, once again, Music Therapy Laz. Oh, can I turn this up? There we go. Music Therapy Laz, wishing you guys all a happy Friday. First Friday of VEDA, vlog every day of April. And have a wonderful Easter weekend if you celebrate that. Or, you know, whatever other religious or non-religious holidays you might celebrate. My family came from Hungary, and I grew up Catholic. I'm now a recovered Catholic. No, just kidding. I love the Pope. I do. I really do. Anyway, I love everybody. Wishing you all a happy Merry Easter. Eat some eggs. Don't eat any meat today, I guess. That's the rule. We're going to have fish because that's the rule. And we try to keep up some of the traditions. Why not? Traditions are good. Roxy, if you don't stop biting me, you're going to get no fish today. No fish for you. Look at her. She's all agitated. She wants my attention. All right, you guys. Rock on. Music Therapy Laz. Reminding you, the secret to tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. Put them together with appendages of sorts, you know, and make some music. And, of course, check out my live stream from yesterday. We're going to do that weekly on Thursdays, called the Guitar. I don't know if I should call it gear, but it's right now it's called Guitar Mod Squad, because you don't really mod other gear too much, do you? Do you mod studio monitors? Probably not. Maybe amps, but anyway. So Guitar Mod Squad. Join me with Jack the Rabbit. That's right, Jack the Rabbit is my second special guest. He's going to special guest with me next week, and hopefully we won't drag it out to 3.5 hours like last night's show, and just try to keep it at around an hour. So until next time, you guys, rock on. See you in all the other chats in this awesome musical community here on YouTube. And don't forget the Metalhead Hippie Show today. Yeah, go catch that, man. We got all originals Friday, coming from all around the world, starting from the Far East all the way out here into the Western United States, California. All right, man. Rock on and have a good one. Laters.